Hey guys, Brock here from Australian Bushcraft Survivors, and today I have a chopstick making video as I forgot to bring a utensil out to the camp, so I'll let you guys see what you think about it. So what I'm doing here is just putting it into, I guess you'd call a spike, one of the squared spikes. So that's kind of like the rough shape of my chopstick, and then we go from there. Alright, I've kind of got the rough shape of my chopstick there, nice and square. Well, not overly square, but what I'm going to do now is just get my knife and sit it kind of half. What you do, put the knife blade halfway on your tip and get another stick, and then slowly batten it so that it splits the tip in half. Like a mini chopstick. And then I suggest probably get a small stick around that kind of size, and then if it doesn't snap, put it down the middle of it, so then you can kind of grab your noodles. That's probably too far. Actually, probably just split it enough so then it stays permanent gap like that, so then you can just use it like that. But yeah, so that's how you make a chopstick when you got no utensils. But I would suggest after this to always bring a utensil, because you don't know if you are going to eat or not. But yeah, and to let you know, that was the property owner, and I'm just going to answer him for a quick sec. Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, it's alright. just been on the chainsaw for a bit, so I wouldn't have been able to hear you.
Yeah, no, that's all good.
Copy.
Alright, so a big thank you to the property owner for letting me use this property. He actually helped me clear a path over there, which I didn't like. He didn't have to do that with me, but he chose to, which was very nice of him. But yeah, big thank you to him for letting me use this property, and I just keep the CB on me all times, just so that nothing really happens out here. Well, if something does happen, I always got contact with them. But yeah, so that's how you make your own little chopstick. But I might try and use a tiny stick. Oh, that's rotten. Or I'll just see how it goes, and then if I do change it, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so thanks for tuning in. I'll let you know how it went, but yeah, keep watching the video. Alright, so got my lunch, got my chopsticks. Let's see how it's gonna go. So it's a little bit hard to pick up with, so I might put a stick in it so I can actually eat my lunch, because I'm getting pretty hungry. So take 2. Not really, but yeah. Hey guys, Brock here again. If you could leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff, and go follow our Instagram, that would be awesome.